Firewire LEDs is a leading provider of safety lighting solutions for utility, fleet, and emergency vehicles. With applications for all makes and models, Firewire can outfit any vehicle, machinery, or equipment. First up in our lineup is HD compartment lighting. It's perfect for rugged applications where others have tried and failed. These compartment lighting strips feature industry-leading brightness with the easiest installation process available. This no-drill installation will eliminate fleet downtime and speed up delivery. Next up is our safety wire, known for its brightness and durability, but also being backed by unmatched warranties and a slim, zero-profile design. Safety wire is the most cost-effective solution for emergency, fleet, and utility vehicle lighting. Finally, we feature our rugged utility lighting products. These super bright lights are housed in extruded black aluminum with an indestructible polycarbonate lens. And lumens? They're out of this world bright, so you can light up any job site or scene.